Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Daisy. Do you own a Procolored DTF printer and are considering going on vacation or taking an extended break from printing? Are you concerned about what might happen to your printer while you are away? I think this tutorial is going to be helpful for you. I'm going to show you how I prepare my printer for vacation time. For this process, we will need printhead solution, ink tubes with their cartridges, a small glass or plastic container, a syringe, a plastic bag, and tape. Open the machine, remove the ink cartridges, and place them on a plastic bag. Close the plastic bag and seal it with tape. Now we're going to use the ink tubes and cartridges. Now pour some solution in the container. Place the tips of the ink tubes in the solution. If it doesn't stay, you can put some tape. Make sure the tip of the tubes are inside the solution. Now, using the syringe, we're going to fill up the cartridges with the solution. Do this process to all of them, but make sure they don't have air bubbles. Now that all of them are full with the solution, we're going to place them on the print head. Now place the ink cartridges on top of the other ones. Secure them with tape if you wish. Now, using the syringe, extract some of the liquid from the waste tube. Turn on the machine on the back and then on the front. When the green light turns solid, go to your computer, open the Procolored program, and we're going to perform a head cleaning. Go to the top right corner and click on the arrow. Then click on the gray area and click on Printing Preferences. This window will pop up. Now here you're going to click on Maintenance. Next, you're going to click on Head Cleaning. Click on Start. Let it do the cleaning. When the green light turns solid, you can turn off your printer. Turn it off on the front and then on the back. Now your Procolored DTF printer is set to vacation mode. Now when you come back from vacation, you will need to remove the cartridges with solution and place the cartridges with the ink. Now extract some of the liquid from the waste tube, turn on the machine and perform a head cleaning from the Procolored software on your computer. Once finished with the cleaning, place a regular copy paper on the printer, go back to the computer and click on Print Nozzle Check Pattern. Here you're going to look for solid lines. If the lines are solid, you're done with the cleaning If the lines are intermittent, you will need to clean it again. The lines in the middle are the white ones, that's why we don't see them. If you wish to check the white lines, you will need to print with dark paper. Go back to the computer. If your lines are solid, click on Finish. If your lines are intermittent, click on Clean. Once you finish with this process, your printer will be ready to resume with your DTF printings. I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked it, I invite you to please support this channel by subscribing, liking this video, and by pressing the notification bell. Thank you for your visit, and until next time.